Here's their cell phones going in with the tarantula. I have something for you. It's a special good morning. Good morning. Mommy. What?
What is your problem?
Nothing. I just want to make sure that you guys got to spend some quality time together on my favorite day in the world. Now, before you get any ideas, just be careful because those are professional grade police handcuffs.
Really?
They are for real. For real. But you're gonna have to take him to school.
I mean, she's driving.
Yeah, but you need what to drive? Your phones, because your phones are your keys to your car.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh, with this.
Your phone isn't here.
Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm on that show with Joe Rogan.
I know, it is. It's exactly actually that show.
Because you go ahead.
You go ahead.
Unveil it?
I mean, yeah, your phones are in there. You have to take the kids to school.
What?
It's just a little red tarantula.
Why are you laughing?
Because your phones are in there. There's a little tarantula in there. And someone's going to have to get your phones out.
That's a
Tarantula.
That's a red Mexican tarantula.
That is hilarious.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Go
Into
ahead.
the house.
Wait, I forgot to tell you. I just asked anything I need to know about the red tarantula, whatever. He just said, yeah, they're just venomous. So, and if they point at you and go, shh, that means get away. And they may throw all of their hair into your arm like fiberglass.
Nice.
Maybe just
Just
Legit.
get like a curl thingy.
get
like
an oven mitt.
And other than that, how about prawns?
Oh, that's a good idea. And an oven mitt.
Hang on, these things can jump up to 7 feet. They really can.
You ready?
Just don't go all the way with it. This is your turn. Whatever's in here is on you. I did the translate. You're doing the snake.
I'm not doing anything.
You wish it was a snake.
I know it's something in there.
Well, your key is in there to your handcuffs. So if you want freedom today,
Oh, I'm
someone's going to have to go ahead and get.
There's a scorpion in there.
Yeah, that thing's big.
No, this guy is ginormous. This scorpion is huge.
Is that just like his hand?
Okay, ready?
Not really.
Can you use the other hand?
Can you stand in front of it?
Because you're dragging me down too. What if we both die together, I guess? Is that how this works?
I can't believe
Watch
it. Oh my god.
No, watch out!
You are still handcuffed. You're gonna. She's gonna kill you.
Fast. I wonder what those started to come
Pictures.
out.
Okay.
Freedom! Freedom!
We're very good.
Good job.
Space.
Good job, guys.
Super scary being handcuffed to my wife for the day.